Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, The Silver Crown. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this channel with your friends so that they can get some tips and tricks and share their struggles concerning their natural hair journey. This video is an update concerning my pairing Natural 85's Melanin Twist Elongating Cream along with my own butter mixture using no gel. So I'm going to upload some pictures, and also I will just remind you of what I did concerning this. I washed my hair. My hair is freshly washed. This is the result of that. I promised you guys a video showing you the results. In my mixture there was vitamin E, and I put some patchouli for fragrance and some other things, but also I had argan oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil that I put in it, and along with a little bit of coconut oil. Now some of you I know can't use coconut oil because you have low porosity hair and it just clogs your cuticles. For us high porosity hair girls, it helps fill in the gaps and holes that are in our hair to help it be more smooth and a little bit more healthy and all that good stuff. Anyway, let me know what you think of this. Now, I think, and this is without gel, I think it came out pretty good. But also, when I looked at the pictures of the back and the sides and the top, you can clearly see a difference in the textures. I mean, very clear. So the back looks very much like, to me, like 4B or C. Well, probably 4C. And the top looks like 4A, B, maybe, I don't know. I'm going to upload some pictures and you guys tell me what you think. But it worked pretty good without gel. So that's what I wanted to see. Could I use my own mixture without gel? And so let me just say that what you pair this product with, or probably any other product, is really going to determine the results that you get with the product. I can also say that my hair doesn't feel dry. It feels moisturized, which is a treat for me because usually my hair does not feel that way, but I contribute that to penetrating oils. And I may do a video about that, oils that penetrate and oils that are for coating the hair and sealing in moisture. One of the subscribers sent me a list of some, not all, but some oils that do this and others that do that. And I appreciate that, and I will probably do a video on that at some point. This is an update to the last video that I did. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it. So when you see this, this is the very next day that I took this out. So this video, when you get it, is going to be, a couple of days old before I upload it. Because my hair probably won't look like this in a couple of days. So I just wanted to go ahead and hurry up and make a video so that you could see it right when I took it out. And also, I haven't done a length check lately, but I think I showed you guys before that my hair is growing. It is it's growing. I'm glad that it's growing, actually. I do have these weird little wiry pieces here. But anyway, I'm going to upload the pictures. I want you guys to look at the pictures, and I will label them. I'll let you know this is the top, this is the left side, this is the right side, or whatever. And this is the back. You will really be able to tell the back. Now, I must say that the back is more defined than it usually is, but it's still clearly a different texture. And I wonder if I had to use the same oils and a gel with the twist cream, would have gotten more definition. I'm not sure. I think it's just the texture of my hair. So anyhow, I'm pleased with the way it came out. I think the definition is thebomb.com, if they still saying that, I don't know. But anyhow, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I am so glad you guys are here, and I'm so glad you're sharing your stories and your experiences with us here on the channel, and I'm sure everyone else on the channel appreciates you as well. So keep coming back, keep sharing the channel, telling your friends about it, and for Pete's sake, please keep commenting and please keep using your expertise and your experience and all that to encourage other naturals, whether they're men or women or whatever, on this channel. That's all I'm going to say. All right. See you guys later. I'll see you next time I come on. Keep it natural.